Today we're going to program a Modor garage door opener to install on my 2012 Sportster 72. So I guess it's pretty easy. All you got to do is press the program button on the garage door, and then find your garage door setting on the instructions. And mine is a Chamberlain with a purple button. I'll need to push the program button on the controller 3 times when I get it set up. So let's start the process. All right, push the program button and it lights up. And then on the back of the controller, the Modor controller, you have a hole that you have to put some kind of a pin or something in. You push it, and then the blue light comes on. And on the instructions it says push the button on the garage door opener 3 times. And that did not seem to work, so. Push the pin and the blue light will light up, hopefully. Push the program button. It lights up. And you're supposed to be able to push this button 3 times. And that worked. The light flashed up there. I don't know if you heard the click, but that was the light turning on and off. Then you push the program button on the Modor. If you can get my pin back in there to turn the light off.
Are you down there?
I'm in the garage.
Rudy's downstairs.
Did I close the door? I appeared to close the door on the cat that was downstairs, but there it is. So you gotta follow the instructions. So when I first set that up, I didn't follow the instructions the way it was set on the paper, and if you follow it to the letter, it works. So you have to push the button on the back of the the Modor controller, hit the program button on your remote or your garage door, and then press the button on the Modor controller the amount of times that it says on the instruction sheet, which was mine was 3 times. And when you do that, the light will blink on your garage door opener, and I heard a click, and then that's it. You hit your program button back on your garage door to get it out of program mode, and then it works. The next step is to figure out where I'm going to install this on the bike, and that's what I'll do now. Hopefully somewhere under the seat. All right, I took the seat off of my my bike. It's just a one-up seat. The seat seemed to fit on there pretty without messing anything up or something like it may damage the unit. So, and then I hate to do it, but I'm gonna stick it to my frame. Like right in there somewhere. Just kind of right under the tank mount. So it's got 3M adhesive, so I'm going to take that off and stick it there, and I'll be right back. There it is, to the bike, and I'll just be able to reach down and push the button. And the guards will come down.